So we have all this stuff we're going to put into it because obviously, as you can see, the Ram has been sitting on the side of my freaking house for, well, 2.5 years or so. So in order to get it up the trailer, we need a winch, we need a battery for the winch, and we need a solar panel to charge the battery so the winch can work. Right, Steve-O?
Yep. We're going to install the finest winch that China has to offer.
Okay, right now I'm going to be installing the battery box. We're going to be putting it on the right side here so we can follow this up and then right into the basket. The winch will be right there. We need to take that plate off. Steve right now is working on all that.
It smells like China.
Okay, we have the battery box in. Caddy corner screws, quite stiff and good. Time to get the battery in. Battery's in. Alright, so the Badlands winch, the 12,000 pound that we decided to use, needed a 650 cold cranking amp. So we went and got the EconoCraft from AutoZone. It was about $100 or so, not very expensive. But the solar that we need says it needs an AGM battery, open or gel. Thankfully, this is an AGM battery, so we're good to proceed. I'm going to go ahead and start wiring up the solar panel. Now I'm going to mount this up and out of the way, probably about right there, just on the upper side of that, so we can still get this bar out. It's got to lift up out of the way, so this has to be high enough to get that off. So we'll probably put it right about there. Go around on the other side. So we have these nubs sticking out right there and there. I'll probably get the grinder and grind those off. This is how we connected the battery shut off. So I got rubber washers so no water will leak into the box. Okay, we're going to mount these on the battery. That way we can put all the terminals on and get this hooked up right now. Okay, that is not big enough, the hole in the set that they give you with the Badlands winch. So I have to go probably drill that out slightly, probably not much. Let's go do that. Alright, got the battery all hooked up, got the terminals on, the negative, the power. The solar is on and producing. It's showing that the battery has 12.6 volts. So we should be good to go. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put the strap on and around the battery. It goes obviously on this side to that side, and it straps it down just to make sure it doesn't bounce out. Okay, straps all in, solar's working good. All right, so for the solar panel, we're gonna mount it right here, like this. So I found these rails, these aluminum rails in my shop. I'm just retrofitting those right now. I'll be putting taps, 3 of them, and then bolting it down to that. And on the back side, we'll have the runner like this on the bar, put 2 set screws right here, and that should, in theory, keep it from flying away on the freeway. I guess we'll see. Okay, we've got it done. Got the solar panel on, it's working, pulling a lot of voltage. We have the battery brake on and off for the winch. Badlands, we're gonna test that next. We have the battery box all hooked up, strapped down, screwed down, all the electrical components are put on. Everything is working properly. Let's go up and take a look at the solar panel. So here's the Badlands winch, all mounted, all ran, everything is looking really good. I decided to put it there. It's a little off center, but I kind of don't care. We ran all the wiring through all the harnesses and through all the grommets and everything is working beautifully. It's really, really strong, so I'm anticipating it not breaking off, but we'll see. Next is using the Badlands winch. Pull that up this trailer and get it tied down, take it to the shop, and start wrecking it. We've got a lot of good plans for that, so please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and wait for the destruction. Thanks.